Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la. Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Are you fine? Are you keeping safe? Are you washing your hands? Yeah, all the time. Okay? And putting on your mask. Yeah? Or sanitizing. Are you doing that, boys and girls? Well done. Now, today, I want to welcome you to a lesson of creative, and I'm Teacher Mary, and we are going to have fun as we practice how to make a mask. Yeah? Can you see a mask using papers or serviette, or you can use piece of cloth, okay? So make sure you have 3 pieces of serviette, okay? You see? One, 2, 3. How many? 3, okay? And you should also have a tape, a tape. Can you see my tape? Well, and also you should have your scissors, okay? Yes, and now you're going to follow me. Yes, how I'm going to make a mask like this one. Can you see my blue mask? You're going to make a mask like this, okay? Using what? Serviettes. You see? Serviettes, okay? Are you ready? Well done. How are we going to do? You're going to get your serviette, okay? You put them together like this, okay? Make sure they are, all of them are equal parts. Can you see? Yes, there you are, of the same size, okay? Yes, and how are we going to do it? You see? Make sure you open your serviettes, okay? And they should be like this. Can you see mine? Yes. How are we going to do it? We are going to fold like this. Can you fold? Just a little bit. Fold like this, okay? Then you turn and fold. You turn again, and then you fold. You turn, and then you fold, okay? Make sure they are equal sizes, okay? Well done. Then you turn and you fold again. You turn and fold. Keep on turning and folding, okay? Well done, boys and girls. You turn and you fold. You turn again and you fold. Can you see? Can you see? Should be like this. Can you see? Well done. Then after that, I'm going to get make sure you have either a thread or a rubber band. Okay? Yes. Now I'm going to get my rubber band or a piece of thread like this, and should be in, which shape is this? Yes, circle, yes? Yes. And then I'm going to put it here at this end, and then I fold. Then I'm going to get a piece of tape. I cut, and then I stick over here. Well done. Can you see? Can you see? Well done. Then I come to this other side. I get my rubber band. Can you see my rubber band? Or a piece of thread, okay? Then you do what? I fold. I do what? I fold. I fold at the end here, like this, and then I get a piece of tape and then I stick it here at the end. Can you see? I stick, and there is my mask. How am I going to do it? You open, okay? Can you see? You open. And there is your mask, okay? You have made your mask using what? A serviette, or you can use a piece of cloth, okay? You see? And then you're ready even to use your mask. Can you see? Yes, there's my mask. Can you see my mask? Well done. That's what you're going to do, okay? You're going to get your piece of serviette. You fold. How many pieces? We said 3 of them, okay? You open, then you start folding. Okay? You turn and fold, until you finish. Then after that, you do what? You get your a rubber band or a thread, and then you use your tape to tie over here, okay? And this other side, okay? And then you are done making a mask, okay? Well done, boys and girls. I know you are clever and you can do it, okay? I know it's going to be a fun activity, okay? Well done. Bye-bye.